you from the waiting room of RWC Group. I am having the bus's front end inspected because when I got pulled out of the sand a month or so ago, something was messed up on the front end and the tires have been wearing wrong. It's out of alignment. And so I brought it in today to have an inspection done, and we will see what they have to say. So stay tuned for that. Peace.
Good morning, everyone, from a very chilly and windy Flagstaff. The mechanics at the shop, when they did the inspection on the front end, discovered a really major problem. The transmission, there is a yoke and some pins that hold it in place, and apparently, I guess because of age of the bus, and this was original equipment, was almost broken in half. And if I hadn't gotten stuck in the sand, and if the people who pulled me out hadn't accidentally bent the drag link bar, which stabilizes steering, I would not have taken the bus into the shop, and this issue with the transmission would not have been discovered, which could have led to a very serious accident when it actually did break and the transmission fell off the bus. If I was driving, you can imagine. So, very grateful for that. But it was very expensive repair, and I still have to get 2 front tires. The stress of all of this has put me into, as you can obviously tell, a little bit of an MS flare. So, having really bad brain fog and trouble talking and walking. It'll get better. It always does. But I just wanted to give you that update. Doctor this morning, and tires on Monday. Then I'm heading east with my friend Michelle. So, that's the update. Hopefully, this will pass quickly. Please send love, light, healing vibes. Appreciate it.